Elementor is a popular WordPress page builder plugin that allows you to create and design custom website pages without needing to write code. Here are the basics of using Elementor. Install Elementor. First, make sure you have WordPress installed. Then, search for the Elementor plugin in the WordPress plugin directory, install it and activate it. Create a new page. Go to your WordPress dashboard and create a new page or edit an existing one. Launch Elementor. Once you're on the page editor, click the Edit with Elementor button to launch the Elementor interface. Add sections. Your page is divided into sections. To add a section, click the plus button. Sections can contain rows and columns where you will place your content elements. Add widgets. Elementor provides a wide range of widgets like text, images, buttons, and more. Drag and drop widgets into your rows and columns to create your page's content. Edit and customize. Click on any element to edit its content, style, and settings. You can change fonts, colors, spacing, and more. Elementor's live editor allows you to see your changes in real time. Templates. Elementor offers pre-designed templates for sections and entire pages. You can import these templates and customize them to suit your needs. Save and preview. After creating your page, click Save to save your changes. Then, use the preview button to see how your page looks to visitors. Publish. When you're satisfied with your page, click Publish to make it live on your website. Responsive design. Elementor automatically ensures your pages are responsive, meaning they look good on all devices.